Math 8, Unit 2, Transformations, Lesson 6, Part 2, Similarity, Notes, and Assignment. Okay, copy this into your notes. I can determine when figures are similar and solve problems that use similar figures. Two figures are similar when corresponding side lengths are proportional and two corresponding angles are congruent. So from the pictures here, let me move this up so it all fits on one page. You can see triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. They're different sizes. They don't have to be different sizes, but they can be. The similarity statement is ABC is similar to DEF. Each of these are proportional. AB compared to DE is congruent to the other comparisons. Let me, I probably shouldn't write all over this while you're trying to write notes. And the corresponding angles are congruent. You might want to pause the video so that you can get this copied into your notes. Now, on the assignment, let's do a quick preview of the assignment. Determine whether each set of figures are similar. Explain why or why not. Okay. If they are similar, then corresponding angles are the same and corresponding sides are proportional. So if we take a look here, let's do part C. If we compare here 5 to 7 and 12 to 15, these would have to be proportional. 5/7 and 12/15. That doesn't actually work out. 7 times 12 is 84. And 5 times 15 is 75. So those are not equal. No. And my reasoning would be not proportional. Okay. Example 2, the two figures are similar. Find the value of x. You can do that either using the scale factor or using proportions. Number 3, you're going to solve. Number 4, you're going to plot 2 points and find the distance between them. That's actually a review from... Oh, that one actually we did in 6th grade. The big thing here is these two y values are the same. So it's just like finding the distance on a number line. Number 5 is a street light. A person standing 20 feet from a street light casts a shadow as shown. How many times taller is the street light than the person? Assume the triangles are similar. Now it doesn't ask how tall the street light is. It asks how many times taller the street light is. So really it's asking for scale factor. Number 6, you're going to use x, y, z to be negative 3, 2, and 5. So x is negative 2, y is 2, or sorry, negative 3, y is 2, z is 5. And you plug those in for all of these x, y's, and z's. And then you figure out what the answer is using the order of operations. Number 7, the solids are similar. Find the missing width and height. So since similar solids will also be the same as similar shapes, corresponding parts will be proportional. So 10 becomes 4. You're going to use the same proportions to figure out what h and w become. Number 8, Beth makes a scale model of a Toyota Matrix. She carves it from a block of wood. Very talented. The scale factor is 2 inches represents 10 feet. Use the scale factor to fill out the table Beth would use to plan her carving. Because she's using a caliper that measures to the nearest 0.01 inch, round your answers accordingly. So on this, you're going to want to use a scale factor of 2 inches represents 10 feet. Now, this is something we did back in 7th grade. 2 inches represents 10 feet. So we've got inches on top, feet on bottom. Now we're going to want to do that with these other things. Let's go ahead and look at the overall length. 14 feet, 3.3 inches. Now 3.3 inches is not in decimal form, so we would have to do some figuring here. If you take 3.3 and divide it by 12, it is 0.275. So this is the same as 14.275. 3.3 inches is 0.275 feet. So 14.275 feet is the length of the car, and we are going to figure out how many inches that is. Now this can be figured out with cross multiply and solve. So let's go ahead and figure that out. If I cross multiply, 2 times 14.275 gives me 28.55, and I get 10x on the other side. Divide both sides by 10 here, and I get 2.855 will equal x. It tells me to round to the nearest 0.01 inches, so I'm going to round to here. The 5 will round me up, so this is going to be 2.86 inches. And then I need to do that same process a few more times here to figure out all my other lengths for the rest of the model.